What's up everyone, it's your boy. I am back again with a new video. This video is probably going to be shorter than usual. It's not like my videos are crazy long or something, but this is just me showing the tutorial of how to do face cam, at least the way I use, and it's probably different between editing softwares, but I usually use either Vegas or iMovie. I usually use iMovie for the, how do I say this, the more simple and shorter videos, and I use Vegas when I feel like I'm doing a big project or something. So I probably use iMovie. Now you're wondering how I've been using Facecam lately. Now I'll display a screen and we'll get into it. Okay, as you can see, we have these two videos, and at least you can see now one, and you want to add another video that you want to put on as facecam. Okay, so you click the plus sign that you have in the upper left corner, and then they will give you the chance to add other videos and other media and stuff. So you will choose the video you want, but you're not going to be adding it normally. You're going to be clicking on that option slash menu sign, and then you'll have a lot of options. The one you want to choose from is picture to picture, or they say picture in other the applications. So you choose that option, and here you go, you have your face cam right there. So now this is me recording like pre-editing the video, and I realized that I didn't mention something very important. If you want to do cuts and stuff, you're gonna have to do extra work, since you need to make the face cam and the video you're using semi or partial symmetrical. You don't want there to be big gaps between the timing of the face cam you're using and the video you're using. So just make sure you're connecting connecting the videos and audio after you remove some parts, and that's it. See you guys in the next one.